Well, when I started in aviation, the fellow who signed my license, his name was Lee Mercure. Mr. Lee Mercure flew this very airplane, I think, or something very similar. And he flew the mail. And notice the mail is laying around. And this is American Railway Express machine. Notice how they flew outside, and the passengers flew behind the engine on the inside. And this is the beginning of today's aviation. They used to call them tail draggers because they drove their tail. They had no wheels in the rear. That was their own braking, a very limited brake. Today we call them conventional landing gear. This one apparently flew from San Francisco to Chicago. It's a very long way without navigation on aids or without maps or without nothing. Just follow railroads and roads. US Mail. Saludos.